How to add an end screen to YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can add an end screen to YouTube videos, so you want to make sure to simply watch the video till the very end. In order to add an end screen to your YouTube videos, first of all, make sure to upload your video. Do not post it just yet. This video is still in my draft and it is saved as private. What you want to do is after you fill in all the details and so on, you want to go to the tab called Video Elements over here. Once you come to Video Elements, you can add subtitles if you want, and then here we can find the option called Add Screen. But before we get to that, you have the option called Add Cards. Now Add Cards, if you don't know what that is, when you open a specific video, you might have seen the little I button when they tell you to tap on the I button on the top right or just click on it to watch other videos. This is simply the cards section. But in this video, I'm only going to show you how to add an end screen. So over here, you can add an end screen from your previous video by choosing the option called Import Your Video, or you can simply choose the option called Add. So when you click on the Add button over here, basically, you can see different type of elements. For example, you have this logo versus video, logo and video. You have logo on the left hand side and then video, or you have two videos, again, but again you have two videos on the right hand side and then logo in the center. So if you'd like to choose either of this, just select it and add the plus button. Now you can also choose the duration as to when you want all of this to appear, so you can go ahead and customize this for each of these options basically. So over here, whether you want to upload, let's say subscribe, so under subscribe you have to make sure to enter the text. Then after that, your video, you can select a one that is best for viewer, or you can choose the option called most recent, or you can also choose a specific video from your channel. If you like to add a playlist, you can just choose the playlist that you want the users to be redirected to after they watch the video. But in order to actually go ahead and discard this as well, let's say if you want to import from video, then you can just choose the option called import from video over here. Once you choose the option called import from video, you'll be able to set different types of videos. You can just choose any of the option over here, and then it is going to actually import the video to the latest one. For example, you can see video best for viewing and subscribe, and then after that you can just choose the option called save on the top right in order to add an end screen. And this is how you can add end screen to YouTube videos. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.